Hey everybody. Ooh, I hope y'all can see me. Let's turn around a little bit. That sun is over there. There we go. Ooh, I'm looking greasy. Ooh, y'all, I'm so sorry. I have been working hard in the garden today and I'm looking real greasy right about now. Don't mind all that hard work on my face. How about that? I am over here by the privacy fence and I'm about to plant some turmeric and ginger. I bought some and I want to put them in the 17-gallon tubs and get these tubs ready for the growing season. So let's plant some ginger and turmeric, everybody. In these 2 tubs right here, hang on a minute y'all, I'm all tangled up. Oh my goodness, I've been working so hard I can't get my life together today. Woo! I do apologize. Here we go. In these 2 tubs, I transferred some turmeric and ginger late in the season last year. I thought I would be able to overwinter them. I thought wrong. So I am out here about ready to replant some fresh turmeric and ginger. And I thought I would take you guys along for the fun. I almost forgot to bring y'all with me. You know, I really have to stop playing like y'all don't want to know what I'm doing in the garden. So this pot right here that I have my gloves in, I actually have some, what is this? Ooh, I lost my train of thought, y'all. It's late in the day. I'm greasy. I'm feeling tired. I'm wore out. I've been working hard today. This is sugar cane. Oh my goodness, that's a little bit of sugar cane. It's an experiment. We'll see how that works out. I'm going to move you guys a little bit closer. Let's move. Come on, walk with me. How about that? How about that? We're gonna move a little bit just like that. Can you guys see? Because I feel like y'all can't see too well. I know I can't see too well over here. Let's see. Today is bad. Today is a really bad video day. All right, let's get this together. I'm having a day. I am going to place some turmeric in the back here because that's what I feel like doing. Because this sugar cane is an experiment and it's been sitting up here for a little while. It's starting to perk up, so it's looking better than what it was looking. So we're gonna leave it alone. I haven't attached the drip irrigation yet, so I'm just going to leave that there. Now I'm going to place this ginger in the bucket next to it, so I'm going to move this ginger over here, and I've got some really big pieces of ginger. Look at that, y'all. I'm hoping to really get some nice ginger this year. Since the buckets were pretty big, I got big ginger rhizomes. All right. Now I do also have some fairly large turmeric rhizomes. One of them was looking a little janky, but we're not gonna worry about it. As you can see, pretty fat, pretty big. This one doesn't look so great. I'm not gonna really worry about it. These look like fingers, y'all. Big old fat fingers. So I'm gonna place these turmeric in this bucket over here, just like so. And I'm not going to place them in there too deep because they don't like to be too deep. We're gonna put a little bit more soil over there like that. And I have 2 more pieces left, so I think I'm just going to, instead of putting them all the way in the back, I'm going to cover those up like that. I'm going to also put some in the front. I'm going to end up putting more wood chip in this bucket. Move the wood chip over. Can you guys see what I'm doing? And I'm going to just dig a little bit, exposing some of that soil. And I'm going to place these turmerics right there, and then backfill it with the soil. press it in, and I'm going to give everything a good water today. As you can see, this is a little bit dry. It's a little bit wet when I really give it a dig in, but it's the top layer is fairly dry. So I'm going to give it some water. I'm actually going to feed everything. Now let's move over to the next bucket, and we're going to plant that ginger. We're going to do the exact same thing with the ginger that we did with the turmeric. We're going to move the soil out of the way, and we're going to plant it. We're not going to plant it too deep because they don't like to be planted too deep. And I'm going to just place it. Now see, this was a piece that it was in here from last year. Can you guys see that? See how it rotted away? It's all yucky. So I'm going to throw that down on the ground. And let's see, I can feel what feels like another piece. Yeah, that's all rotted and yucky. And throw that on the ground. So I am just going to place this just like that, and I'm going to cover it up just like that. Pat it down. I'm going to go to the other side of the bucket right here. Just move the soil out the way and place it just like that. Cover it up. Give it a good pat. And I'm actually going to put just a tiny bit more soil on here because I feel like this soil has dropped and I don't want it to be this low. And I have new neighbors, and they have new dogs, and so you guys are going to hear barking again. They don't bark at me, they're barking at somebody else who's walking across the street. So let's get a little bit more soil to cover that up, and then I'm going to top it up with a little bit of wood chip. To business, I have a little bit more soil that I refreshed from other pots, and I'm just going to sprinkle it over the top and spread it out. There we go, just like so. I'm also going to top this with a little bit of wood chip to make sure that this soil stays moist and to give those rhizomes the best possible chance of growth. Now it's time for the wood chip. And I'm going to spread it out. And that is going to be that for today. There we go. And I'm not going to take you guys along with the watering because you all have seen me water stuff in the garden. So that'll be it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate all of you who view. Until the next time, goodbye for now, and happy gardening to you.